After completing checkout, you'll be able to download the Akrivi plugin. Click the Get Started button on the confirmation page. This will take you to the setup guide. Click the link to download the installation files. Unzip and extract the downloaded file. After extracting the files, you'll see two folders, one for Mac and one for Windows. Each folder contains the correct installer for your system. Mac uses .pkg files and Windows uses .exe files. I'm on Mac, so I'll be installing the .pkg file. Before installing, make sure Adobe Illustrator is closed. Select the installer that matches your system and run it. Now open Adobe Illustrator, go to Windows, Extensions, and select the Akrivi plugin. When prompted, enter your license key. You can find your license key in the two emails you received after checkout. This will include your Here's Your License Key email and the Welcome to Akrivi email. After inserting your key, click Activate License. Once activated, the full interface will load and you're ready to use the tools. If you run into any issues, use the link below to visit our help center for quick solutions. And if you still need help, you can reach out to us through our support form. Thank you for watching.